Now after creating hero section, we will create sign up form section. So click on this plus button and then add a regular section. Now go to demo website, scroll down. Here you can see it look like that. So go back to your website. Don't add any row yet. Edit this section. Click on this gear button. Go to background. Now I will add a background color. So click on this plus button and choose background color. Add code and click on this tick button. Now go to design. In spacing, add bottom and top padding of 20 pixels. Now click on this tick button. Add a single row. Now edit the row. Leave other settings, just go to column setting, go to advanced, custom CSS, and I will add a custom CSS. You can find it in description. Now click on this tick button and again click on this tick button. Now I am done with the row settings. Just add a text module, search for text module and add text module. Now here add your text. Choose HTML tag. I will make it heading 3. Now go to design. In heading, I will directly go to H3. Change the text font. I will select Roboto. I will leave other settings, just change its color to white. I will make its size to 25 pixels. In spacing, I will give it a margin of 30 pixels to the right and 0 pixels on the bottom. Now click on this tick button. Click on this gray plus button and add a button module. Now here I will add sign up now. Now in link you can add link for a sign up form, but I will create and add a sign up form later. So keep following our lectures. Go to design and directly go to button setting. Enable this styler. Change the button text size to 16 pixels. Here is the button text color. Enable this one. Now here you have two options, the color on hover and normal desktop color. For the normal desktop color, I will choose a background color. Click on this tick button. Now go to hover and I will make it white. Now scroll down, button background color. Again click on this arrow icon to enable background. Here I will add hover color to red and front color to white. Now scroll down. Here is the border color. I will again enable hover. Add border color for the front end to white and back end to red. Now scroll down. Here you can show icon. I will select this icon. Now scroll down. You can select icon color, but I will leave it to the default. You can change the icon placement and here only show on hover. I will disable this one. Now it will enable like that. Now scroll down. In spacing, I will add 7 pixels of padding from top and bottom, 25 pixel on the left and 45 pixel on right side. Now click on this tick button. Scroll down. I will add slide animation from left, so it will appear like that. Click on this tick button. I am done with the sign up section, so I will update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down. Here you can see it will appear like that. Keep following our upcoming videos in which I will create a full single page agency website.